On June 27, 2023, Arkansas State Dispatch received a 911 call about a silver Lincoln MKZ hybrid traveling at a high rate of speed. An officer was sitting stationary in an unmarked police unit near mile marker 35. As the vehicle passed his location, he quickly hopped on and tried to catch up. But things take a turn for the worse during the chase. Let's see how it all went down.
About 110.
We can see the other patrol car speeds ahead to catch up with the suspect.
104, approaching 42 South.
Back up 13, up to the PBI, back up.
Now the other patrol car picks up the speed even more. Could he catch up with the suspect in time? Good thing this road isn't as busy right now. Who knows how this would have ended up if the traffic was heavy right now.
Let me around.
Did you see that? We can see the suspect's car speeding ahead of everyone. It's time to catch him. Bigger trucks are now on the road. These officers need to be extra careful or things will get a whole lot worse. The patrol car is now preparing for a pit maneuver. Let's see how this goes. Bam! That was intense.
Yeah, just north of 33, go down the big roadway.
Look at that insane damage. Is the suspect still alive after all that?
Let me see your hands! Hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Get out the car! Hands! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Got me covered?
Yeah, cuffs.
Hold on.
Well, of course he is. Look how calm the officers approached him and his car.
Sure.
Y'all had him?
Yeah. 13, 15, go ahead.
Good thing the suspect, as shown here, was calm and just complied with the officers to make things easier. Why is he smiling after all this? He could have ended his life in a snap from that crash.
Nothing right now. Yeah, I'm good right now.
He looks so innocent and young. I wonder what led him to do such an act.
Top of entrance ramp 43 southbound.